Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, welcome to Textbook JIV CIV. So, guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss around JIB examination, November 2025 examination, as well as key specific areas, important books, and a key winning strategy, right? So, we have lots of learnings from your JIB May 2025 examination. So, I'm going to share those particular one as well. तो क्या क्या चीज़ें आपकी हैं and if you are preparing for very first time or else if you fail in May 2025 examination, so what should be your right approach toward this particular examination? All right, guys. So if you talk about the uh, November 2025 examination dates and registration date, so your registration will start from 1st of August 2025 onwards. ठीक है, तो जो आपका registration होगा for November exam JIB examination, that will begin from 1st August 2025, and your exam dates are 2nd November, 8 November, 9 November, and 16 November. ठीक है, so one key takeaway from this particular dates itself. ठीक है, देखो क्या होता है आपका, like we all are bankers, so we get very less time to prepare things and all. So in this particular scenario, like you need, like what they generally did in May 2025 examination, there was lots of case studies, application based question and all, and for that sake you will be requiring go through the concept areas and all. ठीक है, तो आपको concept को अच्छे से prepare करना होगा. You have to practice well with the help of unit wise MCQs or even आपका मॉड्यूल मॉक एज वेल एज फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट. ठीक है, तो कॉन्सेप्ट इज द की फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ अर्लियर देयर वाज अ मिथ की विद इन 1 week or within a 1 week preparation you can qualify JIB examination, but now it is something जहाँ पे you have to prepare very well, you have to work on your concepts and all. ठीक है, and again same thing which you guys are going to face in November, that is these two papers आर जनरली शेड्यूल बैक टू बैक. ठीक है, तो यूजुअली क्या होता है, लाइक पीपल दे जनरली प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर IN IFS, बट आपका फॉर दिस ऑल्सो RBWM यू विल गेट कंप्लीट 1 week, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीक यू विल गेट 2 पेपर विद इन अ वीक. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं इन प्रिपरेशन इन पेपर को सबसे पहले आपको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए. My recommendation is what you can do first, start with any two subject, and these two subject are IN IFS first and another one is AFM आपका. ठीक है, तो ये दो सब्जेक्ट को आप अभी से धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आपका प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, एंड देन यू विल नॉट फेस एनी चैलेंजेस during this particular exam week because you guys are going to face two subjects. ठीक है, in a week itself. Now, like these are your dates, means these are your deadlines for your preparation. ठीक है, and you have to prepare very well, you have to work on concept, you have to basically develop the basic concept and their application, their uses in the system as well, right? So now when it comes to the papers आपका, ठीक है, so those who are going for the very first time, ठीक है, और अभी जो लोग नए bankers आपके बने हैं, ठीक है, so they are going to face this particular examination very first time. So we have 4 compulsory subjects which are generally part of JIB examination. So these are, first one is IN/IFS, Indian Economy and Indian Financial System. This entire subject is divided between two areas. One is Indian economy, another one is Indian financial system. Okay, we have 4 modules in each 4 subject. Okay, then we have principle and practice of banking. Again 4 modules आपका general banking, lending operation, banking technology, ethics in banking and financial institutions. Then we have AFM आपका accounting and financial management for bankers. Again 4 modules, accounting principle and process, financial statements, financial management and taxation and costing. ठीक है, then final one is RBWM, retail banking and wealth management, introduction to retail banking, retail products, आपका support services and wealth management. ठीक है, now if you ask me question around the module wise strategy, so see guys, now like what I'll recommend to all of you, as of now we have good time in our hand. ठीक है, so I'll recommend ki all the 4 modules they have equal weightage. This thing, like now these are the important topics, आपका ये आपको पढ़ना है, ये नहीं पढ़ना है, that we will discuss 1 month before of your examination. But as of now what I can recommend to all of you, just start with the structure thing आपका. तो जिस तरीके से आपके ये मॉड्यूल दिए गए हैं उसी सीक्वेंस में यू कैन स्टार्ट स्टडिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है। वन सजेशन आई कैन गिव यू, लाइक लेट्स से if you are not comfortable with this particular one, you can start with this particular one, ठीक है। you can, in case of I and IFS, you can start with C and D, और then आपका A and B, ठीक है। or else like the best approach is start with A and आपका A B C D, ठीक है। in case of AF आपका PPB, all four modules 55 units are part of this particular one, ठीक है। so general operations, lending, banking technology and all, ठीक है। these two are bit different from these two, ठीक है। so first आपका A B, देन यू कैन गो फॉर C और D और D और C, ठीक है। AFM अगेन आपका टू स्टडी मॉड्यूल बी और टू मेक योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अराउंड मॉड्यूल बी, यू हैव टू हैव वर्क ऑन मॉड्यूल ए आपका, ठीक है। एंड C आपका अगेन दिस इज लिंक विद दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, D इज बिट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दीज थ्री मॉड्यूल्स आपका, ठीक है। RPWM अगेन वी हैव अ सीक्वेंस, ठीक है। सो इंट्रोडक्शन आपका रिटेल बैंकिंग काइंड ऑफ अ मस्ट थिंग, then you can start with retail product recovery or else, ठीक है। so you can pick any module आपका, because all the three module they have different dimensions, all right। I'll be coming with a detailed video where we'll be discussing each and every single unit, and even within those particular unit which are the important areas, so they can help you with your exam preparation. And we'll be very soon we'll be starting with the regular concept classes for all the four subject आपका, so you can start building your concept around those particular things, ठीक है दोस्तों। so this is these are the subject which you guys are going to face in your upcoming examination, ठीक है। one problem with I and IFS, और आपका जो अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं लोग इसको, they generally compare this particular subject with their banking awareness, which we generally basically we read during the banking exam preparation. No, this is completely different game, one of the toughest paper from your IN from your JIB examination, ठीक है। it can be मतलब कितना भी टफ तक इसको पहुंचाया जा सकता है, you have to study through the keywords and all right guys। so this is the overall आपका four subject and their weightage, and you have to also take care around this particular thing, because these two papers you guys are going to face back to back। so what I can recommend to all of you, start preparing with two subject, one is आपका without any doubt I and IFS, another one is AFM, ठीक है। PPB is bit lengthy, but you have to study, you have to memorize things, you have to practice a lot। RVWM again आपका this year the paper level was very tough, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपका like after completing, let's say you done with I and IFS, then you can switch to either आपका PPB और आपका RVWM, but I'll recommend PPB because there are so many things of PPB which will help you in RVWM as well, right? So this is the overall one. Now question type आपका, ठीक है। so if it comes to the question types, you guys are going to face 100 question for 100 marks। now the bifurcation of these 100 question is, we have like you'll get 2 marker question, half marks question and 1 marks question, ठीक है। so most of the time like 20 question for 2 marks, ठीक है, and 40 question for half marks, and आपका the again 40 question for 1 marks, ठीक है। so that means the game changer is basically आपका 2 marker question and 1 marker question, ठीक है। when it comes to the question type आपका, ठीक है, so basically 2 marker question are most of the time आपका case study based और application based। 1 marker question आपका again full of statements, 5 statements, 6 statement, and you have to find out the right one or wrong one, ठीक है, or even the application based also, ठीक है, as we face in RBWM 2025 May examination, ठीक है। and half marker question are mostly straightforward, in like around 80% or 90% question you will face आपका straightforward, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जो game changer आपका होगा, that is this, prepare for this। अगर आप इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, इफ यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर एंड मोर 2 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस, यू आर ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिपेयरिंग दीज पर्टिकुलर, ठीक है। बट व्हाट पीपल यूज्ड टू डू, वो आपका मैकमिलन के क्वेश्चंस को देख के खुश हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, आपको लगता है कि उतने आसान क्वेश्चन भी, नो, द गेम इज टोटली डिफरेंट। द पास रेट इज लेस देन 20% फॉर May 2025 एग्जामिनेशन। समझो 100 पीपल्स दे आर अपेयरिंग इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन, ओनली 20 पीपल और लेस देन दैट आर पासिंग, तो रीजन कुछ तो है, दैट इज दिस वन, ठीक है। सो कहीं ना कहीं द एंटायर गेम आपका, ठीक है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन थिंग, ठीक है। नाउ हाउ यू विल प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस वन, दिस इज like आपका दिस इज द टेस्टेड बेसिकली वी कैन से मेथड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर JIB एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है। तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं इस सीक्वेंस में अपनी स्टडीज को अलाइन करना है। फर्स्ट वर्क ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट समरी पार्ट, ठीक है, प्रिपेयर योर कॉन्सेप्ट वेल, सो आई विल रिकमेंड आप गो फॉर द कॉन्सेप्ट थिंग्स, ठीक है। हर एक टॉपिक, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि जितना कंटेंट आपको दिया गया बुक के अंदर उतना पूरा पढ़ो, नो, एवरी टॉपिक, उस हर एक टॉपिक का कुछ कोर एरियाज हैं, just find out those particular core areas and we will help you to find out those particular areas, then start working on those particular one, ठीक है। then you will be requiring unit wise practice आपका, ठीक है, unit wise like with every units, let's say we have done with the concept summary or the basic concept, then go for the unit wise things, ठीक है। then आपका module wise practice, this will help you to revise things and all, ठीक है। then आपका you can go for mock test and आपका final revision during your examination. If you'll follow this particular one, I can make sure you are going to pass this particular examination in a single attempt. Now, passing in a single attempt is very basically it is good thing. It is आपका beneficial also. We do have that grace marks things. If it comes to the overall marking and all. So I hope everybody knows about this one. I'll do one separate video for that one also. So basically, to pass this particular examination, you have to score 50 in each and every 4 subjects. But in single attempt, if you are going in a single attempt, you do have an option. Let's say you have scored 55. Let's say you score 55 in your PPB, sorry, INIFS, paper 1, 55. Paper 2, let's say it is 45. Paper 3, let's say it is 45. Paper 4, let's say it is 60. आपका. In this particular situation also, you will be categorized as pass. The basic pass rule is you have to score 50 out of 100. But in a single attempt, if you are, let's say, dude, in these particular subject, if you are scoring 45, 45, that means overall aggregate should be 200. Now you have 10 marks less. That 10 marks we can compensate with this particular one or even this particular one. Or else, like, let's say if you score 55 in your RVWM examination, still you will be categorized as a pass. Okay? So these are the things which are very small thing, but you have to remember these things. Okay? And while we do not have to create any sort of, we do not have to take any sort of degree in these particular examination, but we have to met with the examination requirement. And for that one, you have to score 50 marks. And for 50 marks, if you plan your study accordingly, that is definitely going to help you out. Now, many candidates, they have queries around the books. So whenever you'll ask me about the books things, I'll always recommend these 4 books. So these are the Macmillan books, Macmillan publication, PPB, we have Indian economy, Indian financial system, आपका AFM and आपका retail banking and wealth management. 85 to 90% question will be based on this particular one. Downside I'm saying, ठीक है? तो आपका जो overall exam होगा उसका 85 to 95%, ठीक है? That questions will be based on these particular books itself. ठीक है? So you can, if you are comfortable with the Kindle version, so you can go for that one. Or else, what I always recommend, go for the physical books. ठीक है? क्योंकि लाइक ऑफिस में पूरे दिन भर कंप्यूटर के सामने होते हैं, ठीक है, तो दैट विल हेल्प यू टू मार्क थिंग्स और आपका कहीं ना कहीं लाइक व्हेन एवर यू आर स्टडिंग यू विल फील बिट कंफर्टेबल, ठीक है। तो दीज आर द रिकमेंडेड बुक फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन। ऑलराइट गाइस, तो ये हमारा, if you want to explore the syllabus also, you just have to visit आपका IIBF website, ठीक है, this is IIBF website, ठीक है। So this is your IIBF website. If you come to this particular one, flexive examination, okay? So if you come here, so there are some courses, the flexive courses. If you click on JIB, okay? So here they have given the detailed syllabus also, okay? You can download this particular one and you can go through the subject-wise detailed syllabus or the curriculum for this particular examination as well. Apart from that also, I'll be those who are preparing for JIB December 2025. If you want some sort of one-to-one आपका mentorship from our side, or if you have some queries and all, so there is a form given in the description box. So you can just fill that particular form. So we will connect with you and we'll try to help you out how you can build your understanding around that particular things. And those who have given examination recently also, if you want to share your experiences, so for that sake also there is one another form. So please do fill these particular form and we will try to help you out with your basically like how you should work on the remaining subject and all. And if anything else will be required, so we'll definitely help you in those particular cases. Okay. So guys, the overall summary of this particular session is, you know your exam dates, registration date. So that means you have a limited time to give. And if you contribute on regular basis, for that sake, we'll be coming with the regular summaries, videos and all for all the four subjects. Okay? And if you follow those particular one, if you practice, then we will start unit wise practice and all together. If you follow those particular one, you are for sure you guys are going to crack this particular examination in single attempt. Okay? That I can promise to all of you, because we are dealing these particular examination from a long time. Okay? And we know like what is the how IIBF they generally change things, or how they generally plan areas or questions to get the recent changes and all. Everything you will see that is part of your whatever things we are going to deliver on this particular channel. Apart from this also, if you have any query related to JIB made after December 2025 examination, or any other IIBF certification examination, please do mention into the comment section. So I'll come up with a dedicated video based on that particular area, so you can build some sort of clarity, or else you can fill that particular form. So we will connect with you and we will try to make your understanding about that particular one. All right, guys. So this is it from my side, and all the very best for your preparation. I'll see you soon with our next session. All right. So all the very best, guys. Thank you.